Hi, welcome to Moose Mill. Today I'm going to show you how I made this black walnut serving tray. This is a perfect project for beginners. Simple, minimal tools. So let's get straight into it. This is an 8" by 20" by 3/4" piece of black walnut. This particular piece was in a bin called charcuterie boards. I got two similar in size for about $30. It came partially surfaced and square from the lumber store, so I don't need to plane or square the board for this project. You likely won't find wood like this in your local big box hardware store, so you'll have to do some research into woodworking supply stores in your area. To start, I'm removing the outer bark with a 1" chisel and a hammer. We're taking it off because it's flaky, sharp, and will eventually fall off on its own anyway, so we remove that part and leave the live edge. This process just takes time. I'm gonna speed it up so you don't fall asleep, but the gist is this. Go slow, watch your fingers, and keep going until all the stringy, dark brown pieces are gone and we've revealed a smooth edge. As you can see, I'm keeping the bevel edge of the chisel towards the piece. This keeps me from accidentally gouging chunks out of the wood as the chisel slides along the edge. Now I'm doing a rough sanding with 60 grit sandpaper. I'm sanding lightly to make sure I don't sand away the natural edge. You could do the same sanding job with just sandpaper and elbow grease. But seriously, invest in an orbital palm sander if you like woodworking. The time and energy saved is worth it. I mean, woodworking is about 90% sanding. Good sanding techniques is one of the things that separates the novice from the pros. I'm making this into a serving tray, so it needs handles. I've chosen some square brass handles for this project. They cost about $6 each. To affix the handles, I'm measuring in from the edge 1". Using a T-square, I make sure the 4 holes are square with each other. Because this board came squared up already, I could use the edge as my guide and be pretty sure I was getting an accurate measurement. I'm using a center punch to make an indent so that the drill bit doesn't wander. I use a drill bit that is just bigger than the bolt so it slides through easily. Then I drilled 4 holes, not much to say about that. I did a final sanding to clean up the drill holes with 120 grit. I'm finishing this serving tray with 3 coats of Osmo Food Safe Clear Wood Wax finish. I pour it on and use a white Scotch pad to massage it into the wood. I let it sit for 5 minutes, wipe off the excess. I let each coat sit 24 hours before applying the next one. I countersunk holes on the underside so that the head of the bolt will sit flush with the board. Then I pre-drill 4 small holes and screwed the little rubber feet to the bottom. If you're wondering where I got those, I'll put a link in the description to the store I purchased bulk amounts of these from. And that's it. Thanks for watching.